Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, student. How are you in this morning? Okay, I'm fine too. What is our lesson now? Okay, our lesson now is English lesson. Today, I will explain to you all about simple present tense. Okay, anybody knows when we use simple present tense? Simple present tense used to describe habitual action or those which take place fairly regularly. So next I will explain about the forms of simple present tense. There are three forms. The first is affirmative, the second is negative, and the third is interrogative. The form for affirmative, the first is subject plus verb 1 plus object. And for negative, the first is subject plus do or does plus not plus verb 1 plus object. And for negative, the first is do or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus object. So, when we will use do and when we will use does. Okay, I will tell to you all. We use do if the subject I, you, we, and they. And we will use does when the subject he or she or it or the name of person. And next we go to the example. For the first example, I have a sentence. For affirmative, I go to school. I here to be subject, go to be verb 1, and to school to be an object. And next is for negative. I have a sentence. I do not go to school. I to be subject, so to, why we use to? Because the subject is I. So next plus not here, and go to be verb 1, to school to be an object. And the last for interrogative. Do you go to school? The first is do because the subject is you. You to be a subject, go to be verb 1, and to school to be an object. And then the example for affirmative is I go to school. So if in negative, I do not go to school. And for interrogative, do you go to school? Have you understood all? Okay, is there any question so far? Okay, so how if we want to use does? Okay, here I will give you another example. If we use does and not use do. Okay, here the example if using does. For affirmative, the sentence is Lisa plays a doll. And then if using name of person, we can add s after verb 1. For example, this play become plays. Lisa plays a doll. So for negative, Lisa does not play a doll. Why here become play not plays? Because we have used does in the first. Lisa does not play a doll, and then we remove the word. We remove s here. So for interrogative, does Lisa? Sorry. For interrogative, does Lisa play a doll? We also remove s here because we have used does here. And then the example for using does for affirmative is Lisa plays a doll. For negative, Lisa does not play a doll. So for interrogative, does Lisa play a doll? Have you understood all? Okay, any question? Other question? Okay, if there is no, I think enough for today. And the last, I say good luck for you all. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.